Hello everyone, welcome back to One Engineer CATIA Learning Path series. In the previous episodes, we learned about the Sketcher Workbench, Profile Toolbar, and Constraint Toolbar. Today, in episode 4, we will learn the Operation Toolbar in CATIA Sketcher. This toolbar contains powerful tools that help us modify, trim, transform, and manage sketch geometry quickly and efficiently. Let's understand each command one by one with simple examples. The first command is corner. Corner is used to create a smooth connection between two intersecting elements by adding an arc automatically. Instead of manually drawing an arc and trimming the lines, CATIA performs the operation in a single click. Simply select the first element and then the second element. CATIA creates the corner and removes the unwanted portions automatically. The next command is chamfer. Chamfer creates a straight beveled edge between two intersecting elements. Just select the two elements, and CATIA replaces the sharp corner with a straight line. Quick trim is one of the most frequently used commands. It allows us to remove unwanted portions of sketch geometry instantly. Simply click on the segment you want to remove, and CATIA trims it automatically. This saves a lot of sketch cleanup time. The relimit command helps us extend or trim elements until they meet another element. Instead of manually modifying dimensions, CATIA automatically adjusts the geometry. This command is very useful when completing closed profiles. Now let's look at the transformation tools. These commands help us create copies or move existing geometry. It has mirror, symmetry, translate, and other options. Mirror creates a symmetric copy of the selected geometry about a reference line. This is very useful when working on symmetric designs because it reduces sketching effort. Symmetry makes existing geometry symmetric with respect to a reference element. Unlike mirror, it focuses on maintaining symmetry relationships. The Translate tool creates a copy of the selected geometry by moving it a specified distance in a chosen direction. It saves sketching time and is useful when the same feature needs to be placed at multiple locations. The Rotate tool creates a rotated copy of the selected geometry around a chosen point by a specified angle. It helps create repeated features quickly and accurately, making it ideal for circular and symmetrical designs. The Scale tool creates a resized copy of the selected geometry using a specified scale factor. It maintains the original shape and proportions, making it easy to create similar designs in different sizes. The Close Arc Manage closes an open arc by joining its endpoints with a straight line. This creates a closed profile, making the sketch ready for solid modeling operations like pad or pocket. The next group contains commands that help us use or modify geometry with references. It has functions like Project 3D Elements, Intersect 3D Elements, Project Silhouette. The Project 3D Elements tool projects edges, vertices, or curves from a 3D model onto the active sketch. This allows you to reference existing geometry without redrawing it, ensuring better accuracy and maintaining the design intent. It is very useful when creating sketches based on existing 3D features. The Intersect 3D Elements tool creates sketch geometry by intersecting the active sketch plane with selected 3D elements. It automatically generates the intersection profile, eliminating the need to draw it manually. This is very useful when creating accurate sketches from existing 3D models. So in today's episode, we learned the complete Operation Toolbar in CATIA Sketcher. We covered corner, chamfer, quick trim, relimit, transformation tools, projection commands, axis and positioning tools. These commands are essential for creating clean, efficient, and professional sketches in CATIA. Practice each command along with me, and you'll become much faster in Sketcher. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to One Engineer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.